you have the file, what you have to do is that click here on the application menu. Okay, just click on the application menu, and then you will go down to the print. Beside the print you have that arrow. Just keep your cursor to expand, and then just move to the side here, and I want you to reach here, manage plot styles, manage plot styles, and click on that one. A folder will open up. Yes, this folder will open up. Now what you have to do is that the file which you have downloaded, copy that file and paste in this folder. Copy the file and paste in this. You see, I have the full file already. So for you, you will copy the file and paste here. Okay, so once it is pasted, close the folder.
So could you please show again?
Sorry?
Could you please show again?
Yeah, go to the application menu and go to the print, click on this arrow, and then click on this arrow. I want to go down, go to the manage plot styles, and once you're in the manage plot style, you can click on the manage plot style. A folder will open up. So the file which you have downloaded, you have to copy that file and just paste here. You see, I have the file here already. So the same way you have to just copy that file and paste here. Okay, and once you have pasted the file, you can just close the folder. Okay, now if you go to the print from here, just check all of you have that now. Don't do anything here, I'm just checking. So click this arrow and see that you have the UI CTB now. Yes. So from now, whenever you're going to make the PDF or snapshot, whatever it is, you're not going to use ACAD, you're not going to use monochrome, you're going to use only UI CTB. Got it? And so that means you have to strictly follow the coloring system, what we are doing. So right now, it's not clear for you that why we're using color number 421. So we'll get to that one, but at least try to follow that list as of now. So gradually we'll see how to do that one. Okay. So this is the first thing. And I think all of you know now how to make the PDF also. Okay. So